Hi, in this video, we'll simulate half-wave rectifier circuit using Multisim circuit simulation software. First, we'll select all the required components, like an AC source, a rectifier diode, and a load resistor from the components toolbar, and place them in the schematic window. Then, we connect all the components using wire tool. For this, we select terminal of one component symbol to the terminal of other component symbol which we want to connect. Arrange the components and wiring as per the requirement and complete the circuit without any breaks. Make sure to add a ground from the components toolbar to run the simulation perfectly. Now, for time domain or transient simulations, place a voltage probe at the source output, which is the input for the rectifier circuit. Place another voltage probe across the load, which is the output. By default, the probe voltages are referenced to the ground terminal. Now, set the input voltage source values as per the requirements. Here, we're setting input voltage at 10 volts. Check the other parameters of the voltage source and set accordingly. Now, run the simulation by clicking on the play button at top left. The simulation results are shown in the grapher window, which is at the right side of the schematic window. Adjust the grapher settings as per the requirements. Here, our input signal is of 10 volts and the output is expected to be less than that. So, here we've set the grapher maximum voltage to plus 10 volts and minimum to minus 10 volts to see the results properly. Run the simulation again and see the results. We can see the simulation worked perfectly and generated expected results. By checking the waveform shapes and signal values, we can understand the working of any circuit. Here it happens to be a half-wave rectifier circuit. Subscribe this channel for more such videos.